Hey, welcome to TWC Projects. Today we're going to be repairing this front window on the mini excavator, replacing the glass that I busted out. So stick with me and I'll tell you more about that in just a second. All right, so as you saw in a past video, I had lost control of a log that I had in the bucket, and the thumb wasn't quite closing enough on it anyway. It fell down, came back and shattered the window. So fortunately on eBay, I found a replacement, a used window, and looks like it's gonna fit. So we're gonna cut it open and install it, see how it goes. Wow, that was the easiest glass I've ever installed in my life. In fact, probably one of the easiest parts I've ever installed in anything in my life. I mean, I really just cleaned out the broken glass and slid the new one in. I was missing this rubber seal down here before. I probably ought to see if I can find a replacement for that too. But it wasn't on there when I bought the machine either. But boy, that went super easy. And I am back in business. Now, definitely cost a pretty penny but glass, especially tempered glass like this, and tempered glass specifically for a piece of machinery like this, you know, it is what it is. I'm just glad I was able to find one and replace it so easily. And boy, I think this is the shortest, maybe the shortest video I've ever made. But it's all right. It was still good. So thank you for watching. Thank you as always for helping me create things, fix things in this case, and enjoy God's creation outdoors. And if you haven't already, so please subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when new ones come out. Thumbs up if you like it, share with a friend. Anyway, all those good things. I appreciate you being with me. Like I said, that was a simple fix, and I'll share more with you on what I'm doing up here at Bear Ridge, finally clearing out and cleaning up a bit. So like I said, you may have seen that already in the last video when I busted the window. So thanks again, and have a fantastic week. I'll see you on the next project.